Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to scan QR code using your Android phone. No matter which types of Android phone you have, like a Samsung, Motorola or Sony, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. It's very simple tips and tricks to scan any kind of QR code and pay money or generate information, which types of information available on this QR code. So now let's start as a demonstration. So look at this, guys. This is my Samsung an Android phone and this is a QR code. How to scan QR code? It's very simple. No need to install any application for your Android phone. So simply, first of all, you need to open the camera and just scan any of QR code, and look at this here. The message is showing here youtube.com. If I tap here, so my YouTube channel is open. So this is a simple process to scan QR code using Android phone. No need to install any application, just open camera and access QR code related information. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.